Hello guys, my name is Harry. Today I want to make pizza for my mommy birthday. First, we have to warm the water. So we put the 200 ml water, put in here, and just turn off this. Wait, only this warm. Wait about 1 minute. Should be warm.
Okay.
Okay, now the water is warm. We have to turn off the engine and put the water back. Some more water. Okay. Now we have to make the pizza dough. First, we need 300 grams of starch. Then we have to put water, salt, and some sugar. I mix it. You
Okay.
can see it. Now we have to put the warm water in our
Yeast.
yeast. Put little bit, and we have to wait about 10 minutes. Let's open our timer.
Okay.
Put the warm water, and we should restart it. How? Like this. Start. We
More
should have to
water.
put more water in. Like this. Don't forget in the top.
Okay.
Now we have to put our sugar and salt to this. Nice and slow. You mix it too. No. You are the mixer. After mixing well, we have to.
Okay.
So the yeast is done for 10 minutes. Now we have to mix with this. First we have to get the yeast and put it like this. Oh, so satisfying. We just stir it. The ultimate mixer, just do it.
Okay.
Dalamnya kayak mau bukan?
Masuk ke dalam
Who wants some more?
After we mix it, we have to press it for 10 minutes.
Okay, now the pizza dough done. Now we have to make a circle. Have to make it very thin. It's really hard. But so don't let that hurt. Okay, this is the process of the pizza dough.
It's a little not circle. Like
Like the country of France.
yeah, it's so nice.
Just add a little island is France.
Okay.
Then it's not a circle.
We're not eating. Okay.
I think it's turning into a
Just two.
square, like Minecraft.
Okay. We can make a square pizza.
Look at that. Now let's put some holes. Need so many. Quickly like this. Let me just show you.
Okay, I know.
Wait, look. We put some hole is done. Then we have to put some pasta. You smell some pasta.
Spaghetti sauce.
The hole is done. Now we have to put some tomato sauce or maybe pasta sauce.
Spaghetti sauce.
It's like pasta. The smell.
I'm saying spaghetti.
Now it's time for your turn. Because you are the mixer. Or your robot. You are the robot.
Okay.
After putting the tomato sauce, we have to put some mozzarella cheese. I love mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
Put many in the top. Don't put too much.
Pizza is always put a lot of
Now
mozzarella.
we have to put another layer of it. Okay, the cheese is done. Now we have to put some toppings. We have this smoked beef.
We have all this thing. I want to put some.
This shape like pizza. I love pizza. But we're making a pizza. For my mommy birthday.
And we brought some Oreo birthday cake already. That's
We have to put more beef because I
maybe
love
this
this.
is enough because
Put some corn, baby corns.
that's a real corn. This is I call baby corns.
I love corn. Now we have to put some mushroom.
Wait. Don't needs. Just have I don't like mushroom.
I love mushroom because
I hate
can
mushroom.
I can get bigger like Mario. Dun 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 dun.
I don't like mushroom.
Now we have to put some onion, but I hate onions, so I just put a little bit.
I love onion.
After this, we have to put more layer of cheese to make it sticky, so it doesn't cut out. That's a little bit because I love mozzarella cheese. Don't put too much. Oh my god, it's too much.
Just spread like.
And it's
butter.
done. Now we have to put in the oven the steak a few. Now it's time to put the pizza in the oven. And oven this is very hot. Okay, look, it's 200 degrees Celsius. Up. Oh. Close it up. And it's done. We have to wait a few minutes. Okay, now the pizza is done in the oven. I just wait about 10 minutes. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
Oh,
And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming
happy
back.
birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. Potong pisahnya, potong pisahnya, potong pisahnya serta mulia, serta mulia, serta mulia.
The pizza is so crunchy and cheesy. Let's see. Kan ba?
Makan pisahnya, makan pisahnya, makan pisahnya serta mulia, serta mulia, serta mulia.
10 over 10.
So the pizza is really tasty because I put too much cheese. I also use this ghost pepper. That's right.
Right.
Ghost pepper. Oh my god. Spicy.
It's really spicy. Try it.
Getting hotter and hotter.
Not. Mama, Papa bilang enggak loh. Hah? Serius? Spicy.
Go start work.
Ayo, Spicy.
Pedes nggak?
Let's try. Let's try. Go start.
Iya, ghost pepper.
我刚喜欢拿啊，你把手吃了没？妈妈帮我。
See you next time.
I trying the pizza that I make.
Let me help.
No! Ik wil niet elke can.
Ding, ding, ding.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.